How to start an Airbnb business for beginners. You're going to want to save this. Your very first step is to make sure you get your business filed with your state. Then go to irs.gov and get a free EIN number. Then go open a bank account with Chase because they give the highest limits on Business Inc. credit card. Open up 3 accounts, one with Uline, one with Quill, and one with Granger. These 3 lines will build your business credit. To check to make sure they reported, which is very important, go to nav.com and you'll see those 3 lines there. Once those 3 lines are there, you can then open up a gas card with Shell and use that for your driving around. But you can also get a Visa MasterCard there as well that you can use anywhere, not just for gas. Now you guys are ready to start doing corporate leases. Your next step is to go to Zillow, find the best property you want, do the research on it by going to airdna.co, and then you're ready to rock and roll. Follow me for more tips, tricks, and strategies just like this. And go to my bio. I've got a special video for each and every one of you guys for making this far. Let's roll.